Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to sell product per pound weight in WooCommerce WordPress. So this is our product. Now you see $20. So we are going to sell this product per pound. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin, write weight based pricing for WooCommerce. So this is plugin weight based pricing for WooCommerce we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see weight based pricing. So click on it. So we are in plugin setting and then you see enable weight based pricing. So enable this option. Enable the weight based pricing globally. And then you see default weight unit. Now you see kilogram. So we are going to select pound. And then you see custom weight input. Allow customer to enter custom weight input. Enable this option. Add to cart button. Go to product. Sale price button. Sale price. So you can add tax according to requirement. And then you see enable actual weight. Enable this option. Again you see tax. So you can add according to requirement. Enable this option. Show your saving row in cart total and then click on save changes. So we are going to sell product per pound. Now setting saved. Go to product page and refresh the page. So this is our pineapple product. So we are in product and then you see we are in general and then you see weight based pricing. Enable this option and then you see weight unit pound. Minimum weight 1. So you can select 0.5, 1.5, 2 according to requirement. So it's up to you. Maximum weight in pound you can add according to requirement. Weight interval. So when user increase, if you want, you can increase 1 pound, 2 pound, 0.5 pound, 0.3. So we are going to add 0.3. And then you see wastage percentage. So what is wastage percentage? So it's mean how much of your product get wasted or lost when you make or handle it or store it. For example, if you have or if you start with 100 pound of a production but 5 pound get wasted like broken, spoiled or lost, then the wastage percentage is 5 pound divided by 100 pound into 100. So 5% of your product is wasted. So you can add according to requirement. If no wastage, then add 0. But now we are going to add 5% of wastage and then click on update. So click on it. Now product updated done. Go to product and refresh the page. And then you see pineapple $20 per pound. Weight 1. Actual weight 0.95 pound. Sale price. Now you see 0.95 pound show because we added 5% wastage. So we are going to increase now 2. User can add custom input like 2.3. Now you see. And then you see actual weight from 2.3 pound is 2.185 pound and then click on add to cart. Now you see please enter a valid value. The two nearest valid value are 2.2 and 2.5 because we added interval 0.3. So you can set interval 0.1. So user can add any value. So it's up to you. Now we are going to add 2.5. So you can set weight interval 0.1. So user can add any value and then click on add to cart. Now you see pineapple has been added to your cart. So click on view cart. So we are in cart page and then you see pineapple product weight 2.5. Actual weight 2.375. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.